Hello everyone, my name is Sabina Volchanova. I'm working as a ServiceNow developer in digital and software solutions. In this lesson, I will show you how to create a ATF test in ServiceNow. First, we are going to ATF or Automated Test Framework Tests. We create a new, and now we are adding test steps. First, we are going to make impersonation. For example, Andrew Och. Just some seconds to load. Okay. Andrew Och. This user is out of the box. Okay. After that, we're going to navigate him to create new model and incidents. So we need navigation, navigate to model. Next, which model? It's called create new. Maybe it's better from here. This one, application menu instance, submit. Okay, we have two steps now. After that, we are going to set fields value. Next. And we have some mandatory fields which are short description, for example, test, color. It's going to be about author. Okay, submit. Now we have on the form these fields. One more step after that, we need to validate the fields. Field value validation. Okay, as a condition, short description. We want to contain test and color is able. Okay, submit. And of course, after validation, we need to submit a form. To have this record. Okay, submit to server. Okay, and now we have our test, but we cannot start right now. First, we should enable test and test suite execution. Yes, and yes, save. Okay, we turn back to the test. Okay, and now as you can see, we have run test. Click it, start a new test runner, and in a new tab, we have our test runner. And now we can watch how different steps are executing. Here is the form. Okay, we are running step 2. We have color and short description. Now we validate value fields and submitting form. Okay, it's ready. And here you can see everything is successful. We go to the results. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel.